How to send assets to someone else on ByBit. So, hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to transfer your assets. So it's very simple. Simply click on our assets over here on the bottom right. We have an assets option. And in this page, you could see we have withdraw. So simply click on the withdraw option over here and we will be able to see all kinds of crypto that we have over here. So simply search for your USDT or our preferred number or crypto over here. So we have USDT over here. So simply select USDT. And over here, we have two ways of withdrawing or transferring or sending to someone else. So we have on-chain and internal transfer. If you select internal transfer over here, we could select our recipient amount. We could send via their email, their phone number, or their UID over here, as you can see. So you could choose between the two options over there and simply select and input the amount that you want to withdraw. And if you click on withdraw, it will then send that amount from your asset to that recipient or to that person that you want to send. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.